today I'm going to be showing you how to create a pear eyewear topper in Cricut Design Space using a seamless pattern. Now, a lot of seamless patterns, they'll be advertised as seamless, but when you get them, they actually aren't. So you will want to test this with your patterns a couple times to make sure it looks right. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go to Upload and upload your image. I've already done this. I am using a seamless file that I created in Canva, and I will show you at a later date on how to create a seamless file in Canva. So as you can see, this is really large. It's not going to look good as a pear topper. And we can shrink it down to the appropriate size. A 6x2 makes a good topper if you want, but it looks very distorted, and that's still not going to be a very good topper. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make it a 1x1 square, and you're going to want to copy this 3 additional times. And the first square you're going to set at position 0, 0. The second square is going to be position 1, 0. The next one is going to be position 0, 1. And the last one is going to be position 1, 1. So now you have your repeating pattern. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this 2 additional times to get us to the correct size. So this one is going to come up here, and we're going to have it at position 0, 2. And it's slightly over. You want it at exactly 2, otherwise the patterns overlap. And this one you're going to want at 0, 4. Or 4, 0, sorry. Okay, so now that you have that, the next thing you're going to want to do is, if you have a pear topper SVG, you're going to want to upload that, which I already have uploaded. And I'm using the Wanda. And you can take that and just drop it on top of here. And normally you would just come over. I thought originally you could just group everything together and then slice it. You cannot do that. You have to slice each individual layer. And it takes a little bit of time, but I will go ahead and show you what the process looks like. And at the end, we'll have a really cute pattern. So you come over here and select your Wanda, Control, and select the first layer of the B or your pattern print, and then hit slice. And you're going to want to delete out the black slice result, the little portion that it created there, and the bigger portion of the slice result. So it leaves just the little wedge of the canvas, of the glasses. And we're going to repeat this for each of the pattern pieces. Okay, now you have your topper pattern cut out, and right now it's a bunch of individual pieces. So what you're gonna first wanna do, whoops, let's undo that. You're gonna wanna select all those shapes, and you're gonna wanna come down here to combine. Oops, not combine. You wanna come up here to group and group them. And this will keep them as one shape so you can move them to wherever you want on your canvas. And then the next thing I like to do is I like to attach it so it cuts exactly where I have it on the mat, since I'm going to be doing a print then cut. And then lastly, you are going to flatten it. And once you flatten it, it will cut out the outline of this in one shape. And you can go from here and you can click make and then print it out and go to print then cut. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Drop your comments in the box below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.